Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao Tianti Homeware Company Limited. This one is 4-tile ladder storage unit. Let's check the detail. This 4-tile, the size is bigger than the 3-tiles, and it's also self-assembly made of MDF. You also can paint gray color, black color as you like. You can put it in your bathroom and the balcony to decorate your bathroom and organize your stuff. Let's check the size. The length 45, the width 29, height 90 centimeter. It can load 1,000 pieces in 40 container, and our MOQ only 300 pieces.